Alright, so now we are going to go to oxidation part of carbonyl compounds. So your carbonyl compounds can undergo oxidation. So in this part, you have these oxidation reactions can actually act as tests, identification tests. Okay, so for the general oxidation, okay, yang awak pernah jumpa before this, where your oxidizing agent is KMnO4 or K2 Cr2O7 potassium chromate, okay, atau CrO3. Alright, so if you have aldehydes undergoing oxidation, you will get carboxylic acid. Ketone, you will have no reaction. Okay, why is that so? Because ketone, okay, you do not have any H attached to the carbonyl compound. Okay, I mean to that carbon lah of that carbonyl compound. Okay, so let's say for aldehyde undergoing oxidation reaction with acidified KMnO4 at high temperature while being heated, you will get carboxylic acid. Okay, kira tambah oxygen dekat H2. Okay, so you can have positive test for aldehyde. Purple color of KMnO4 solution decolorizes. Okay, maksudnya KMnO4 ni is being reduced lah. Okay, while the aldehyde is being oxidized. Okay, so let's say for ketone, if you react it with oxidation, you will have no reaction. Okay, so the purple color of KMnO4 solution remains unchanged. That means that this oxidizing agent does not undergo reduction. That means your ketone does not undergo any oxidation reaction. Okay, now we are going to look at identification tests. So in carbonyl, you can identify, okay, macam specific characteristics of your carbonyl compound lah. So let's say for Felings test, okay, or silver mirror test, it is to distinguish aldehyde from ketone. So maksudnya for aldehyde, okay, you will get positive reaction of Felings test. So apakah positive reaction tu? Positive test. Okay, so first Felings test, kita tengok Felings test, okay, aka silver mirror test ni, the reagent is AgNH3 2+ in water, or you can write it as this. Okay, dia ada OH kat belakang, so that means that instead of ada plus, OH ni balance out lah, so dia neutral. In water juga. Okay, so you can use either way to write your Felings reagent. Okay, and then the product, okay, of this reaction for aldehyde, okay, will be carboxylate ion and Ag, okay, your silver. Okay, why do you get that product? So when aldehyde is being oxidized, it will become carboxylate ion. Carboxylate ion nampak macam mana? C double bond O, O minus. This is carboxylate ion. Okay. Okay. While aldehyde is being oxidized, your Ag plus will be reduced. Maksudnya dia akan lose electrons to form Ag. Okay. This is your silver. Ag tu apa sebenarnya nama dia? Argentum. Okay, silver. Right, so the observation, okay, the positive observation for aldehyde will be metallic silver mirror deposits on the wall of test tube, okay, atau yang ini. So itulah Felings test. So how do you write your equation? So let's say when you have aldehyde, okay, not ketone, reacting with aqueous silver nitrate, okay, you will get carboxylate ion. Then you will get 4 moles of NH3, 2 moles of water, and 1 mole of silver precipitate. Okay, so this is your silver mirror. Okay, awak punya observation tu. Okay, so ini an example lah of apa ni? What is this? Aldehyde, ethanol. Okay, ethanol. Bila awak buat Felings test, you will get these products. Okay, alright. Second, identification test for carbonyl compounds is Felings Test. Felings Test. So Felings Test is to differentiate aliphatic aldehydes. Okay, maksudnya straight chain aldehyde. Okay, from aromatic aldehyde, maksudnya ada macam ni. Aromatic compound, lepas tu ada macam ni. Okay, this is aromatic aldehyde. And ketones. Okay, ketones. Sorry, ni lah contoh. Okay, ketones. So maksudnya ini akan tunjukkan the positive test. So apa positive test tu? Okay, your reagent awak Cu2 plus complex in basic solution. Your Cu2 plus ni, your reagent is blue in color. Your product will be carboxylate ion and Cu copper 1 oxide. Okay, so copper 1 oxide is brick red precipitate. So daripada warna biru, Cu2 plus awak punya copper 2 plus complex, dia undergo oxidation. Okay, add electron. Ini R. Dia undergo reduction. Okay, it will form copper plus. Okay, copper plus is brick red in color. So this is your observation lah. Let's say here you have aliphatic aldehyde. So R ni adalah alkyl chain. Okay, then reacting with copper 2 plus complex, which is blue in basic solution, basic condition. It will form carboxylate ion, copper 1 oxide. Okay, it is brick red precipitate, it's solid, and water. So this is your observation. Okay. Then you have Schiff's test. Schiff's test will give positive results for aldehydes. Okay, negative for all ketones except propanon. Okay, take note of that. So reagent dia adalah Schiff's solution saja. Dia tak ada bagi tahu apa reagent tu. Positive observation for aldehyde and propanon is reddish purple color solution forms. Okay, now we have the next reaction, which is reduction. Tadi oxidation, sekarang reduction. So aldehydes, ini awak dah belajar dah before this. Aldehyde undergo reduction, will form primary alcohol, while ketone undergo reduction will form secondary alcohol. Okay, so these are your reducing agents lah. Okay, ni simple je reduction ni. And then finally we have iodoform test. Iodoform test kita dah pernah dengar dalam alkohol juga. Okay, but in this one it is less specific. It is also called haloform test, where you will form haloform. Okay, so this is to test the presence of methyl carbonyl group. Kalau before this we are for alcohol, okay, kita guna iodoform test to detect methyl carbinol group. Ini methyl carbonyl group. Methyl carbonyl. Okay, sorry. Methyl carbonyl group. Okay, so this is your methyl carbonyl group. Okay, when reacting in excess, X2 maksudnya X being Cl ke Br or I. Okay, not specific to iodine molecule. Okay, in basic condition you will get carboxylate ion and haloform precipitate. Okay, haloform precipitate. So kalau dalam iodoform test kan, kita guna tu untuk detect methyl carbinol group kan. Kita specific using I2. Alright, so let's say here we have methyl carbinol group, methyl carbinol. Okay, OL maksudnya OH. Bila react dengan I2 you will get methyl carbonyl. Okay, which is this one. Okay, so when you react with iodoform test, okay, I2, you will get triiodomethane, yellow precipitate yang macam dalam alcohol tu. Okay, so kira iodoform test ni boleh, macam dah cakap dalam part alcohol lah, dia boleh detect presence of methyl carbonyl group and methyl carbinol group. Okay, Oh my god, we're done. Okay, so we're done with carbonyl. Okay, so now bolehlah awak buat tutorial questions, and you can also prepare for quiz macam biasa. I think I will do 2 quizzes, or I will wait for you to finish carboxylic acid first, and then I will give you quiz. Alright, thank you.